In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list and import a CSV file into Mailchimp. Let's dive in and make this process simple and straightforward. First, we need to prepare your spreadsheet where all your contact information is stored. Go ahead and open your Excel or Google Sheet that contains this data. It's important to ensure that your spreadsheet is well organized. You should have clear columns for email addresses and any other relevant information such as first name, last name, and phone number. This setup allows Mailchimp to recognize and import your data effectively. Next, let's talk about the formatting of your data. Make sure everything is correctly formatted, especially fields like addresses that can be a bit tricky. Proper formatting is crucial for seamless data import into Mailchimp without any errors. Once you're confident that your data is accurately set up and formatted, save the file as a CSV, which stands for comma separated values. You can do this by going to File and then selecting Save As or Download depending on the tool you're using. Choose CSV from the list of file types. Now with your CSV file prepared, it's time to move on to importing your contacts into Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't got an account, you'll need to set one up. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar and click on Audience. This is where you'll manage all your contacts. In the Audience section, locate Manage Audience and click on it. You'll see an option labeled Import Contacts. Click on that and Mailchimp will ask you how you would like to add contacts. Choose the option to upload a file. Now click on Select a File and navigate to the CSV file you just saved. Select it for upload. As the file uploads, you'll proceed to the next step by clicking Continue. Here, Mailchimp will advise you to keep all your contacts in one audience, which simplifies sending personalized marketing and managing your contact data as your list grows. You need to select your current audience from the drop-down menu as we continue. Once you've set your audience, click Continue again. You will then be prompted to tag your contacts. Tags help you organize your contacts based on different criteria for better targeting. Create or search for relevant tags as needed, and then proceed. Mailchimp will verify your data transfer to ensure everything lines up correctly with their system. If all looks good, click Continue. Finally, choose the email marketing status for your contacts. Decide whether they've agreed to receive marketing emails, then click on Finalize Import. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Mailchimp, ready for your next email campaign. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy emailing.